Hi everyone, it's Rachel and
Callie.
and today we're going to show you 681 Chipmunk. So come check it out.
Chipmunk.
Okay, so here we are at 681 Chipmunk, and we are over in Boulder Bay neighborhood in Big Bear Lake. So
and your neighbors have a blue Jeep.
Yes, your neighbors have a blue Jeep. So down here we have Willow Landing. Down here you can get to the lake, also lake that way, and we are about 1.5 miles to the village, about 3.5 miles to the ski slopes, and what would you say, about 4 miles to the grocery stores. So where we're at, property lines probably gonna be somewhere around this bush right here, possibly even just this end of this blacktop driveway. So as you can see from the driveway, we've got a ton of places to park. Callie, how many cars do you think you could park here?
5.
5, maybe 6.
One right here.
Or you could also have like RV or boat parking too, right? And then over here, we even have more parking. So this would probably be your boat RV parking right along here. And for insurance reasons, we've got a fire hydrant right here. Your insurance will ask you that question. So it's important to know it's right at the property. Not sure if it makes it less expensive, but yes, Callie wants to show you a top secret thing that this house has to offer.
Okay. So, we're here, right? We're just sitting here. And then we notice
Oh, it's people.
that's a person, that's a person, that's a person, that's a person, that's a person.
All right, so looking at the house, we've got a newer roof on it. Callie, do you know what kind of siding this is? Do you want a little lesson real quick? Do you know what it is?
Satisfying sighting.
Satisfying siding? It's called vinyl.
No, it's called
Vinyl.
No, it's called what was the thing at the other house?
Oh, linoleum?
No.
Formica?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can find any Formica in here. So in here we've got a little entryway, really cute.
And in here we got soft floor.
And then we've got carpet. So we walk into this great room right here, which is open to the kitchen dining room. Going this way, we're gonna have stairs to the second level. Going this way, we're gonna have the master. So let's go.
Down, there's another bedroom.
Right, we have so many surprises here. So first we're gonna kind of just go this direction and see everything.
Really nice.
So first thing to note is the windows. We do have dual pane windows here. So the owners have done quite a few upgrades in the home. So we do have dual pane windows. We also have bamboo on the ceiling. So it's for a house this age, which is 1940.
Is it bamboo? Something that pandas eat?
Yes. So don't let any pandas in this home. They might eat the ceiling.
But Mom,
What?
bamboo is green.
Well, this is different. It's the same thing, but it's a different form.
And again, you have this nice fire.
Yeah, look at how beautiful that is. So we do have like a
Polish, please.
polished, and we have a bear. But I love this hand-carved mantle right here.
It doesn't give you splinters.
It doesn't give you splinters. Just a beautiful fireplace. So this house, Callie, was built in
69.
1940.
49?
1940.
So
1940.
Were you alive?
I was not alive. This house is, so 60 years would be 2000. So 70, 84. This house is 84 years old.
This is old, but it looks so cool.
I know.
It has touches.
Has touches.
And you get this nice.
So here we have the wallpaper, but this wallpaper is covering up what we believe to be this wood paneling right here.
And there's a little thing, but
But that's just because, yeah.
And it looks good.
So here we have this. You know what this is?
Formica.
No,
Um.
hardwood.
Oh.
Hardwood floors.
And then. What's this?
It's just a like storage area, cutting board, desk, whatever you want to call it. And then here we have the little eat at bar. Got a nice timeless tile with a great border on it.
Got a nice thing. It's big and wide from the microwave.
Oh, microwaves. So nice big kitchen, lots of storage. The house would be good for a primary home, secondary home, vacation rental. You've just kind of got a little bit of everything.
Mom,
That's
look
cute.
at-
It says the joy of the Lord is your strength.
Look at.
Yeah, all the birds, bird clock.
And then.
So then we have some updated appliances too.
It won't open.
Well, let's not open it.
Okay. And then you got some more storage down here for pans and pots.
Yep. So down here,
Can I show them? You got a master.
this is your master wing right here. So here it looks like we've got a queen bed in here, but you could easily get it bigger if you wanted a king or even a cow king.
And then also
A mirror so that you can look at yourself, which is very important these days. Oh, that's the heat lamp. Let's turn that heat lamp off. So, can you guess what kind of floors these are?
Formica.
Nope. Tile. Tile.
Is anything in here Formica?
I don't know.
Mom, it's one of those things that opens.
Yeah, it's a medicine cabinet. Then here we have a tub, full shower. So we've got this is, Callie, do you know what it's called when you have a bathroom inside of a bedroom?
What is it? A bed bath.
No. Your 4-year-old sister knows what it's called.
Well, because you told her.
It's called a master.
Oh, yeah, I knew that. I said that.
So here this is stepping outside, but we've got the fenced area right here, the 2 separate gas meters for the main house and then a separate one for the guest house. And then we've got storage. We're gonna walk you through the guest house afterwards though. So first let's finish the main house. Callie, do you know what kind of floors these are?
Bamboo.
No.
Formica.
No.
I know it. Don't tell me. Wood.
Linoleum.
I
No,
said that.
not linoleum. Sorry. Now you got me losing my mind. Vinyl flooring.
A walk-in closet.
What would you do with this walk-in closet?
I would make a rainbow thing of clothes. I'd buy all rainbow stuff, like red, orange, yellow.
As you're wearing all black? Okay, I won't tell anybody. You're on camera.
And then red, orange, yellow.
You would arrange it like a rainbow in here?
And then our shoes would be arranged.
Okay, that's one idea. And then here we do have like a low wainscoting
Mom,
all
this
around.
is hardwood.
That is cedar.
No, it's Formica.
It's not Formica.
And then there's this mirror right here.
Oh, there's another door here that I didn't even know about. It's another closet.
With towels.
All right, let's go.
In the other bedroom.
Sorry, to the other bedroom at the front of the house.
You got a nice wooden bed.
Yeah, that's a great log bed. So this is nice because it is on the main level. So you're just, there's a bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, all on a main level.
And then you got the sliding door closet.
This is another queen size bed, but you could easily get a king in here if you wanted to. And what I love about this age of home is all their doors too. So here we have the bathroom.
Mom. Hawaii.
Hawaii. This has
It's cedar.
no
Bamboo.
vinyl
What's
flooring.
that?
And then a cute bathtub. So white tile, shower,
And then you get,
tiled shower,
and then you get your soap.
and you can put all of your soaps up here.
And then you got a toilet, of course.
Yeah, of course.
Well, I mean, it is a bathroom.
And then we're gonna go upstairs. I don't even think Callie has been up here yet. What's cool about these homes is that you have like little storage areas like this.
Ooh, that one goes back. Me and
All kinds of closet space. So we're not even counting this space as a bedroom on
me and my sisters.
the advertisement, but Callie and all of her sisters could fit right here.
Mom, you didn't know this.
And there's a fun little space down here.
No, it
It
goes.
goes all the way back too.
And then
Crazy.
there's another space.
And another one.
Closet.
And it's great because it's got all just wood everywhere. Love it.
This is for Micah.
It's not for Micah.
And then, Mommy, you could sleep here.
And then I could sleep there and just watch you all
No.
so that you can't escape.
Wait, there's another.
Where's another one? It's not a door. So next, we're gonna go out to the mud room, which is also where the laundry room
This
is.
is for Micah.
That is linoleum.
No, it's not.
Yes, it
The
is.
linoleum is the one that's like.
Linoleum is.
This is tile, Mom.
Touch it.
Ew. Feels weird.
Ooh, it's linoleum.
Cheese touch. I want the cheese touch.
And then back yard right here, we've got a. Do you know what kind of deck this is?
Linoleum.
Trex.
I said that.
This is all Trex decking right here.
T-Rex.
Probably about 100 square foot of decking.
This is 100 feet.
Well, 10 by maybe 12. So maybe 120 square foot. And they have it beautifully done out here with all this walkway right here.
Picnic time.
You could get some lights up here.
Like
A little
LA.
barbecuing.
Mom,
That's just like a storage area.
and there's another one.
But they've got really nice astroturf back here.
Can I show them this?
Yep, we're gonna go in there in just a second. So one great thing, you've got a nice shed right here. A little sprinkler system. I don't think anybody's home there. And then we also have, this is good because you can open this gate and get a boat or a RV in here if you wanted to.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
look at this beautiful tree back here. If you smell these, it smells, oh, that's a good one. It smells like vanilla.
Are you ready?
Are you ready to see the surprise? What? Did you even know that this was back here?
Yeah, I'm the one that turned on the lights.
Oh, okay. So here we have, oh, what is this?
For Micah.
For Micah, you got it.
Wait, Mom.
So these are like a painted cabinet. So with just some small upgrades, but I mean, you can see everything in here is like teal and pink. I love it. Great little apartment that you could rent out full-time, part-time, anything you wanted to do here. We've got a full bathroom in here. Is this where you would live,
Someone
Callie?
in there.
What?
See that?
That's not a head. That's a shampoo bottle.
I knew that.
Nice clean tub with tile up above.
Are you ready for the room?
So cute. Ooh, look at that. I wonder if that is Mount Everest.
Mom. Oh wait, if you're watching this, subscribe to my mom.
You're funny. Funny. Callie watches a little bit too much YouTube herself, and she hears all those people saying that. And then you even have your own little back private deck back here. That's a shed.
Dad, can we go in the house?
Nope.
And then your
And
other
so you're
neighbors.
very close to having a lake view over here too.
And then your other neighbors.
Ooh, Callie, look how they painted that tree next door.
They painted a tree.
You see it? They like colored all over it. So there you have it, 681 Chipmunk. This one is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2 units, and just hitting the market for $699, $999. And I think you would love it. So if you want, give Callie a call. She's here to show it to you all weekend long, right, Cal?
No, all summer long. 'Cause
All
I'm
summer
out
long.
of school.
Oh, you're right. All right. See you later. Bye.